Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to remove this heavy tarnish and then polish using this Brasso. So what we're going to do is take the Brasso polish and I'm going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, and then I'm going to rub it into this tarnished brass doorknob, and then we're going to keep rubbing it to reveal a mirror shine. I felt that the more I added the Brasso directly onto the brass doorknob, that it really helped with removing all the tarnish. I just wanted to quickly mention again that the more Brasso I used, it really sped up the time it took to remove all this tarnish, so don't be afraid to keep adding it. After we're all done polishing, I'm going to take a fresh Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away any spare polish. And I just wanted to say, I think this Brasso polish worked really well, and it really made this brass doorknob shine and get rid of all the tarnish. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.